Okay, good morning, guys. Another video. Letter B. Well, predict the product of this. So, what's this actually? This is a benzene. This one is a 1, 2. You should read 1 from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, a benzene versus a 4. So, this would be um, the longest. The longest would be benzene. So, therefore, the parent would be benzene. But again, benzene is also an alkene. So this is actually giving you a hint that this is a reaction of alkene. See this double bond? But anyway, I could paraphrase this as 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. So that would be a 4 carbon. That would be butene. Butene. This one is a benzene. So this one is the substituent that would be a 1, 2, 2, uh, 2 methyl. This one is a methyl. This is CH3. So 2 methyl 1 butene, 2 methyl 1 butenes, and then uh it is a what do you call this? It is a substituent. Then that would be a 2 methyl 2 methyl 1 butenyl. Okay? So reacting 2 methyl. So that would be a where's my pen? Where's my pen? Where's my pen? Oh my pen, draw. Okay. So 2 methyl. So it should be in a parenthesis since it's complicated. Diba? There's a ruling for that one. So letter B. So reacting it 2 methyl, 2 methyl, 2 methyl, 2 methyl 1, 2 methyl 1 butene, butenyl. Okay? You put the YL since it's a substituent. 2-methyl 1-butenyl benzene. Okay? That's the whole of your compound. This is the whole compound. Okay? 2-methyl 1-butenyl benzene reacting with your HGOAC2 H2O. But anyway, we only have to look for this on our cheat sheet. So this one is an alkene reacting with Hg. So that would give you probably an idea where to find it, of course, in the cheat sheet of alkene. Actually, this problem, I copied this problem from the reactions of alcohol. But again, some of your synthesis of alcohol is from your alkene. So the book is already expecting you that you already know since before alcohol comes, the alkene was already been discussed. So you have an alkene reacting to alcohol. So on my side, I could expect that it is from the synthesis of alcohol. But you know, in your case, if I'll just give you this one randomly, so you should be looking from the reactions of alkenes. Okay? So we will find that HGOAC2 reacting with your alkene. So this one is alkene. HGC. So this one here. HG, you look at the conditions. You have your sodium borohydride, a tetrahydride, or NaBH4. So we're not required really to name those. So meeting those conditions, of course, you would have water addition. Addition of water. See? Water addition. By oxymercuration. This is a mercury. Oxymercuro, demercuration. Ano but that is the name for the whole process. Markovnikov radiochemistry occurs. So Markovnikov is more on the mechanism. But anyway, our only aim is for this one to be transpose this one. The double bond would have an H and an OH. So we will apply that one, as simple as that. The double bond, what double bond, sir, are you talking about? So that's why your benzene is discussed last because this is more stable than your double bond alkene. So meaning that double bond that he's talking about is this double bond, not this double bond. Because of course the double bond in your benzene is another topic. So meaning this guy here should be applied on this side. So if we're going to apply it, of course, we'll start from that so that we can know the cheat sheet. So this carbon here, let's say that is carbon 2. So that that would be number 2, carbon number 2. It will now be a single bond C, and then of course you still have that CH3. Again, that is CH3, and this one is your CH2. This one is your CH2. This one is your CH2. Okay, CH2, and then you have your benzene C6H6, C6H6. Okay, so that would be CH3, and then this one be there are two hydrogens here. Applying, you would have probably an OH here. Oh my, what happened? Oh my. So what happened? I don't know what happened. Anyway, as long as my video is still active. So you would have a H, and then again, your answer might be OH here, and then one hydrogen here, or the other way around. Again, the explanation, we would leave it to the chemist, but you could have an answer like this, and it would still be okay. The details of this, what really will happen, of course, is we will leave it to the chemist. Okay, we will leave it to the chemist. So you could have an answer like this, or you could have an answer at the top. Meaning I would be correct. That would both of them would be correct on our case. Actually, I could remember what will happen, but anyway, so that you will not be confused. So if this is your answer, that would be a 1, 2, 3 pen. Now it's an alcohol, so that would be 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 6, so that would be a 3, 1, 2, 2 methyl. 2 methyl, that would be a 2 methyl. 2 methyl 1 pentanoil. You have again pentanol, and you will add that YL, pentanoil. 1 pentanoil, and then you enclose it in a parenthesis, since this is only a substituent. 2 methyl 1 pentanoil benzene. Okay, or your answer might be a 2 methyl 2 pentanoil. So you can actually, you have there's only a small difference. Again, some of them, there might be two actually products. Both of them will occur. Based on, of course, I you have to find the details. But meaning we can understand that these two, in our case, might be the product. So both of these would be correct. 2-methyl 2-pentanoil benzene. Okay. So from this, your answer should either this or this. Okay. So that is letter B. May I cut so that it will not be boring. Thank you guys for listening.